डिअर स्टुडंट्स, मागच्या लेक्चरला आपण लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equals to log a provided a greater than 0 हा रूल, या रूलशी रिलेटेड एक्झाम्पल्स पाहिली होती. शेवटची या दोन केसेस यातल्या शिकवायच्या राहिल्या होत्या, त्या डिस्कस करू आणि मग पुढचा रूल पाहू. नाउ लेट मी राईट डाउन द रूल. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 a power x minus 1 upon x is equals to log a provided a greater than 0. आणि यातल्या दोन सब केसेस आपल्याला पाहायच्या होत्या, त्यातली लिहितो एक. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 a raised to x plus a raised to minus x minus 2 divided by x square. आता की एखादी केस घेतली की त्याचं जनरलायझेशन शिकायचो, जनरलायझेशन लिहायचो आणि मग त्याची पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल सोडवायचो. आता या केसमध्ये आपण जनरलायझेशन अगोदर सोडू आणि मग त्याच्या पर्टिक्युलर केसेस पाहू. गिव्हन इज लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 a raised to x plus a raised to minus x minus 2 upon x square, and the parallel examples will be taken as limit extends to 0, say 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to minus x minus 2 upon x square. Let me write down one more as limit extends to 0, 3 raised to x plus 3 raised to minus x minus 2 upon x square. Limit extends to 0, e power x plus e power minus x minus 2 divided by x square. आता एच्या व्हॅल्यूज बदलल्या की ऑब्व्हियसली आपल्याला कितीतरी नवीन नवीन गणितं तयार करता येतील. इफ आय राईट डाऊन लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0, से √7 ब्रॅकेट पॉवर x प्लस √7 ब्रॅकेट पॉवर मायनस x मायनस 2 डिवायडेड बाय एक्स स्क्वेअर, हे पण एक गणित तयार होऊ शकतं. जनरलायझेशन शिकू. लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 a पॉवर x प्लस a पॉवर मायनस x मायनस 2 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर, आणि मग याची गणितं लगेच उत्तर देऊन जातील. लेट अस डिस्कस विथ लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0 a पॉवर x प्लस a पॉवर मायनस x minus 2 divided by x square. It is a given problem. If you look at this problem carefully, limit extends to 0 written as it is. The term in denominator x square will be written as it is. There will be no change in the term a raised to x, as well as that minus 2 will not be disturbed. If you look at that a power minus x, that a raised to minus x or a power minus x can be replaced by 1 upon a raised to x minus 2 written as it is. Now limit extends to 0 with denominator x square. Now let us discuss the numerator. The numerator we have a raised to x plus 1 upon a raised to x minus 2. Let us take an LCM as a raised to x. If I take a raised to x as an LCM, no doubt the first element will be a raised to x multiplied by a raised to x. Next element will be plus 1 minus 2 times a raised to x will be the last element. Let us rearrange the numerator. Let us shift this a power x to denominator so that it will be limit extends to 0. A raised to x multiplied by a raised to x, I prefer to write down it as a raised to x bracket square. Plus 1 minus 2 times a raised to x, I reshuffle the terms. I rewrite it as minus 2 times a raised to x plus 1 divided by a power x multiplied by x square. Look at the term in numerator. The term in numerator is a raised to x bracket square minus 2 times a raised to x plus 1. Surely, without hesitation, you can say that it is a raised to x minus 1 bracket square divided by a raised to x multiplied by x square. Now, if you look at the term a raised to x minus 1 bracket square and x square, shall I club it so that it will gives you a raised to x minus 1 upon x whole bracket square? Let us rewrite it. Limit extends to 0, 1 upon a power x multiplied by, let us club these two terms and we write down a raised to x minus 1 upon x bracket square. आता आपल्याला जो रूल ॲप्लिकेबल हवा होता त्या टाईपचं इथे एलिमेंट मिळालंय पहा. इट विल बी 1 upon a power 0 multiplied by, is it log a bracket square. Anything raised to 0 is equals to 1, so that 1 upon a power 0 will be 1 upon 1 multiplied by log a bracket square, which forces us to write down the answer as log a bracket square. It means surely I can write down the generalized step as limit x tends to 0, a power x plus a power minus x minus 2 divided by x square will give its answer as log a bracket square. Let us frame it. एकदा हे गणित समजलं की याला रिलेटेड एक्झाम्पल्स डेफिनेटली सोडवता येतील. पहा, एकदा मी सांगितलं की लिमिट एक्स टेंड्स टू 0 ए रेस टू एक्स प्लस ए रेस टू मायनस एक्स मायनस 2 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर. सो उत्तर लॉग ए ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आहे. तो व्हॉट विल बी द आन्सर फॉर 5 रेस टू एक्स प्लस 5 रेस टू मायनस एक्स minus 2 upon x square. Without hesitation you will give the answer as log 5 bracket square. याचं उत्तर किती येईल? तुमच्या मनात उत्तर तयार आहे. इज इट log 3 bracket square? याचा आन्सर log e bracket square. But since log e is equal to 1, one can say that log e bracket square is nothing but 1 square, that is 1. For this particular, no doubt a will be replaced with root 7, which will gives you the answer as log root 7 bracket square. पहा, शेवटच्या गणिताचं उत्तर limit x tends to 0, it is root 7 bracket raised to x plus root 7 bracket raised to minus x minus 2 upon x square will gives the answer as log root 7 bracket square. Log root 7 bracket square, someone may write down the same as log 7 bracket square divided by 4. कसं काय? तर log root 7 will be written as log 7 bracket power half, which will gives you half log 7. Half log 7 चा bracket square म्हणजे obviously log 7 bracket square upon 4 येईल. मग कोणी तुम्हाला या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आन्सर विचारेल, कोणी या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आन्सर विचारेल. इफ समवन हॅज रिटन द आन्सर ॲज 1/2 log 7 whole square, the student must get full credit, because whatever may be the form, it will gives you log root 7 bracket square log a bracket square. माझ्या मते हे पण एक्सटेन्शन समजलं आहे. आता आणखी एक एक्सटेन्शन याचं समजून घेतलं की लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 a रेस टू x मायनस 1 अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू लॉग a ग्रेटर दॅन 0च्या सगळ्या केसेस डिस्कस करून पूर्ण झाल्यासारख्या होतात. पहा शेवटची एक केस. आता स्टुडंट्स असं पहा की मागच्या वेळेला जनरलायझेशन अगोदर घेतलं होतं आणि मग आपण गणित सोडवलं होतं. आता आपण गणित सोडवू आणि मग त्याचं जनरलायझेशन घेऊ. 0 49 रेस टू x minus 2 times 35 power x plus 25 raised to x whole divided by x square. Look at the terms carefully. I have taken the problem as limit x tends to 0, 49 raised to x minus 2 times 35 raised to x plus 25 raised to x. Look at that 49 power x. 49 means is it nothing but 7 square? 25 means is it nothing but 5 square? And that 7 multiplied by 5 will give the product 35. Let me write down limit x tends to 0. 49 power x, I prefer to write down it as 7 square bracket power x minus 2 times 35 raised to x, I write down it as 7 into 5 bracket power x plus that 25 raised to x will be replaced with 5 square raised to x divided by x square. आता न्यूमरेटरच्या ज्या टर्म्स आहेत त्या जरा काळजीपूर्वक पहा. लॉज ऑफ इंडायसिस प्रमाणे shall I write down 7 square bracket power x as 7 raised to x bracket square minus 2 times 7 into 5 bracket power x will be replaced with 7 raised to x multiplied by 5 raised to x plus 5 square raised to x will be again written with 5 raised to x bracket square whole divided by x square. Let me call this 7 raised to x as a and let me call that 5 raised to x as b. If I call it as a and b for 7 raised to x and 5 raised to x, is it nothing but a square minus 2 times ab plus b square? If you look at the terms carefully, Is it nothing but a square minus 2 times a into b plus b square? What do you mean by a square minus 2ab plus b square? Is it nothing but a minus b bracket square, so that it forces us to write down 7 raised to x bracket square minus 2 times 7 raised to x into 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x bracket square as 7 raised to x minus 5 raised to x bracket square divided by x square. The power club karo, so that it will be written with limit x tends to 0, 7 raised to x minus 5 raised to x upon x whole bracket square. And या टाइपचं गणित आपण ऑलरेडी सोडवलेलंच आहे. इट इज द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल वी हॅव डिस्कस दॅट a raised to x minus b raised to x upon x limit x tends to 0 will gives you log a minus log b, or you may write down it as log a upon b. Is it limit x tends to 0? The procedure will be somewhat like this, which we already followed. Minus 5 raised to x plus 1 divided by x whole bracket square, which will be limit x tends to 0. Let us put a bracket for pair, so that it will be 7 raised to x minus 1 minus 5 raised to x minus 1 whole divided by x bracket square will be put as it is. By separation, it gives you limit x tends to 0 as it is. Bracket square will be no doubt written as it is. There will be no change in this algebra. Is it 7 raised to x minus 1 upon x minus 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x. And then this gives the answer as log 7. Obviously this will be log 5. So that the answer comes out to be equal to log 7 minus log 5 bracket square as it is, which will gives you log 7 by 5 bracket square as an answer. पहा एकदा गणित सोडवलेलं परत. Just look at the problem, how it will get solved. याला relate whole divided by x square. That 36 raised to x means, is it 6 raised to x bracket square? 42 will be written as 6 into 7, because this 49 replaced with 7 raised to 2. So that 36 raised to x minus 2 times 42 raised to x plus 49 raised to x upon x square will give the answer as log 6 upon 7 bracket square. Similarly, shall I write down one more example as limit x tends to 0. Say it is 25 raised to x minus 2 times e raised to x plus 16 raised to x whole divided by x square. Definitely you can do it by yourself, because 25 will be replaced with 5 square, 16 will be replaced with 4 square, that 4 multiplied by 5 will gives you 20. It means this will be written with 5 square raised to x, that is 5 raised to x bracket square, minus 2 times 5 4s are 20, that is 5 into 4 bracket power x, which will be written as 5 raised to x into 4 raised to x. 16 will be replaced with 4 square, 16 raised to x will be replaced with 4 raised to x bracket square, and then it will give the answer as log 5 by 4 bracket square. बरं असं एखादं गणित दिलं तर येईल का सोडवता? Limit x tends to 0. If I write down it as 25 raised to x minus 2 times plus raised to x whole divided by x square with as, मी गणित असं दिलं आहे, लिमिट x tend to 0 25 raised to x minus 2 times 45 raised to x plus I have put the blank space power x divided by x square, and the answer comes out to be equal to log 5 by 9 bracket square. What will be the unknown element? Definitely you can do it by yourself. उत्तर लगेच सांगता येण्यासारखं आहे. The answer for this problem, I have got it as 5 by 9, that is log 5 by 9 bracket square. 25 power x will be replaced with 5 square raised to x, that is 5 raised to x bracket square. Since it occurs with 9, 9 into 5 as 45, obviously this element will be square of 9 and it must be 81. म्हणजे आपल्याला याचं ॲप्लिकेशन समजलं. ही तिन्ही do these examples as a homework. Definitely you can do it by yourself. आणि मग याचं जनरलायझेशन पाहू. What the generalization will be? Generalization will be somewhat. Is it limit x tends to 0, a raised to 2x minus 2 times ab raised to x प्लस b रेज टू 2x डिवायडेड बाय एक्स स्क्वेअर. काय येईल सांगा उत्तर. पुन्हा एकदा गणित लिहितो. म्हणजे गणित लिहिलं एकदा पुन्हा एकदा आपल्यासमोर की आपल्याला थोडासा आणखी विचार करायला वाव मिळेल. If I have limit extends to 0, is it a raised to 2x minus 2 times a into b bracket power x plus b raised to 2x whole divided by x square? Then no doubt the answer will be log a upon b bracket square. This is the generalization. Let us frame it. Already we have taken the particular case. Using this particular case, we have taken some more problems for homework, and then we do the generalization for this one as limit extends to 0, a raised to 2x minus 2 times ab raised to x plus b raised to 2x upon x square gives the answer as log a upon b bracket square, provided a and b must be with positive values. इथे limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 upon x is equals to log a provided a greater than 0. याच्या जवळजवळ सर्व केसेस शिकवून पूर्ण होतात. आता याच्या शिकलेल्या केसेस कुठल्या ते एकदा पाहू आणि मग नवीन रूलकडे जाऊ. लिमिट एक्सटेंड टू 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equals to log a provided a greater than 0. The rule which we have discussed. हा जो रूल होता याला रिलेटेड याची एक्सटेन्शन्स किती पहा. लेट मी राईट डाउन द फर्स्ट वन ॲज लिमिट एक्सटेंड टू 0, a raised to x minus b raised to x upon x is equals to log a upon b. The next we have taken limit extends to 0, ab raised to x minus a raised to x b raised to x plus 1 divided by x square as log a multiplied by log b. This is the second one we have discussed. The next we have discussed limit extends to 0, a raised to 2x minus 2 times a raised to x plus 1 upon x square is equals to log a bracket square. This is the third one we have taken. The next one we have written as limit extends to 0, a power x plus a power minus x minus 2 upon x square is equals to log a bracket square. The fourth one we have taken. Finally we have written limit extends to 0, a raised to 2x minus 2 times ab raised to x plus b raised to 2x upon x square is equals to log a upon b bracket square. This is the fifth case we have taken. म्हणजे एका फॉर्म्युलाच्या या एवढ्या एक्सटेन्शन्स आहेत. हे एवढे एकदा सगळं लिहून ठेवलं की आपल्याला लिमिटचा या रूलशी रिलेटेड कुठलाही प्रॉब्लेम आला तर डेफिनेटली डिस्कस करता येईल. आता याच्या नंतरचा रूल बघायचा तो म्हणजे लिमिट एक्सटेंड्स टू 0, 1 plus x bracket power 1 upon x is equals to e. This is the next case we are going to discuss.